Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen about the text widget in Tkinter, and in today's session, let's move ahead with the combo box widget in Tkinter. So, a combo box is an important widget in Tkinter, and it allows us to select a single value from a set of values. So, user can select a single value from the set of predefined values. And to create the combo box, we have to import the ttk module in tkinter. So we have to use it as ttk.combobox. A combo box is a combination of entry widget and list box widget. So basically, a combo box is a combination of entry widget and list box widget. The syntax for combo box is it's present in ttk module. So we have to specify it as ttk.combobox. Win is nothing but the main parent screen, and it has got many options under it. So now let's look into one of the code examples and see how it works in Python. So firstly, I've written the code. Let me run it and show you the output. So this is nothing but CBSE grading system. So depending on the marks you select, it will give the grade which you have obtained. So suppose I select marks as 10. Immediately it will show you secured E2 grade. So it tells the grade which you have secured. Suppose if I enter 18, it says you secured E2 grade. Suppose I select something called 45. Then it says you secured C2 grade. So depending on the marks, the grade gets displayed on the screen. Before, what we used to do is we used to select the marks and click on the button, and on the click of the button we used to call the function and it used to display the message. But in the combo box, as soon as the input changes, the value which you select changes, automatically it will display the message. There is no need of a button to be displayed for the combo box. So this is how the combo box works. It is a combination of entry. This is the entry box widget and this is the list box widget. So it is a combination of entry and list box widgets, and it is present in TTK module. And one more thing, when we select any of the marks, it will display the grade. So this is nothing but show info message box. In message box, there is an informational message which we have already seen in our previous sessions. So this is the show info message which has been displayed on the screen. So after remembering all these things, let us go and write down our code. So firstly, from Tkinter, I'm importing all star. Next, from Tkinter, import ttk. So I'm importing the ttk module which is present in Tkinter. Thirdly, from Tkinter dot message box, import show info. So I'm importing show info which is present in the message box widget module. Now let me create my main screen, call it as win equal to tk, and let me have a geometry of 300 pixels by 300 pixels. Win.title, let me give it as grading system. So we have given it as the title as grading system. Now let's have a label, call it as label1 equal to ttk.label, and the text for this particular label is equal to select marks. So I'm selecting the marks, and based on the marks the grade gets displayed on the screen. So the text for the label is select marks. Now I have to pack this particular label onto the screen. Let me say fill equal to x, pad x equal to 10, and pad y equal to 10. So I'm giving a padding of x of 10 and y of 10. Now let's create my combo box. For this, let me say combo equal to ttk dot combo box. Place it in my main window, and let me have a text variable for this, which will capture the date value selected in the combo box. So let me store it in a text variable called marks. Here marks is a Tkinter variable. So we have to define it as marks equal to int var. And now we have created the combo box. Now we have to add values to the combo box. How can we add values to the combo box? So for this we have to say combo values, combo quotes, we have to give the values. Values is nothing but m for m in range 0 to 101. So the m for m in range 0 to 101. So it will take all the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 100. It won't consider 101. It will consider till 101 minus 1, that is equal to 100. So I'm entering for all the values of marks, that is from 0 to 100. And next let me say combo, let me say state for the combo values is equal to read only. I cannot write any values in it, it is only read only. Now let me pack my combo box onto the screen by saying combo.pack fill equal to x, pad x equal to 10, pad y equal to 10. So this we are packing it onto the screen. Now we have to write some functionality. Suppose user selects a value in the combo box, a pop-up, a show info message should be given out saying that he has secured this particular grade. So how do we go about it? So for this, when a value selected changes in combo box, whenever a user selects a new value in the combo box, the combo box widget generates a combo box selected event. So it will generate a combo box selected event. To handle this event, we use the bind method, the getGrade function where there is change in value selected in combo box. So whenever user selects a value in the combo box, this particular event gets called, that is combo box selected. So this is an event basically, and it gets triggered. And to handle this event, we have to use the bind method. So combo.bind and the event, that is combo box selected. So this event is get triggered. So it will call the function getGrade. And in getGrade function, we can, for different marks, we can associate different grades, and we can display it through the show info message box. So basically an event gets triggered. To handle the event, we use the bind function, bind method, and we call the getGrade function. So now on change of value, on change of value means if user selects a new value in the combo box, then we'll see what will happen. So for this, let me say combo dot bind, and in quotes I have to give combo box selected. This is an event. Basically combo box selected is an event, so it gets triggered. So in order to handle this event, I'm using the bind function. In the bind function, when this event occurs, I'm calling a function called getGrade, get underscore grade. And then let me say win dot main loop. So here getGrade is a function which I have to write above. So I have to write the getGrade functionality, what happens within the getGrade function. So it is basically a function. So let me say def get underscore grade. Here I have to say pass the parameter event. Any other variable or event we can pass. It is going to handle the event. So here basically I'm checking for the marks and evaluating the grade. So if marks dot get, so this is the function which gets the marks. Marks is nothing but the combo box variable, text variable. So it gets the marks from the combo box. If the marks is greater than or equal to 91 and marks dot get is less than or equal to 100, then I'm saying grade equal to A1. So if marks is greater than 91 and less than or equal greater than or equal to 91 and less than or equal to 100, then I'm giving the grade equal to A1. So whenever user clicks on 91 to 100 marks, automatically a show info message shows off the result telling that you have secured A1 grade. So similarly for all other grades we have to check for the conditions. Sorry. So here I'm giving it as elif. So nextly, I have to check if marks.get is greater than or equal to 81 and less than or equal to 90. Then he gets A2 grade. So similarly, it goes on elif. So this becomes 71 till 80. He gets B1 grade. So this is basically the CBSE grading system. Elif, if it is 61 to 70, then he gets B2 grade. Elif, 51 to 60, 51 to 60, he gets C1 grade. Then again Elif, Next is 41 to 50. 41 to 50. Then he gets C2 grade. Again LF 33 to 40 is D grade. So here basically if it is greater than or equal to 33 and less than or equal to 40, then he gets the D grade. LF if he gets greater than or equal to 21 and less than or equal to 32, then he gets E1 grade. So if it is less than 32, then he gets E2 grade. So this is the last grade. So we can use the else functionality, else grade equal to E2. So this is how, depending on the marks, I am allocating the grade value. So initially if it is greater than or equal to 91 and less than or equal to 100, he gets A1. So based on the marks, he gets different grades: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, D, E1, E2. Now I have to show the message onto the screen. So I'm using the show info. I'm using the show info message box. For this, let me say show info title equal to result. Title is equal to result. And message what I want to display is equal to F in quotes, U secured in flower brackets. I have to specify grade. So it takes the variable, whatever value is set in the grade, it will take that particular value and then I'll say it as grade. So U secured in the flower brackets, it will consider the grades A1 or A2, B1, B2 or C1, C2, D, E1 and then it will say grade. Then I'm calling my main event loop. So friends, this is a program for getting the grades for the particular marks. So firstly, we have imported TTK module. Then I'm having combo, which is a combo box. So it is ttk.combobox. And I'm having a text variable called marks. So whatever value user selects will be stored in marks. And how are we giving the values? It is M for M in range 0 to 101. So it will take all the values from 0 till the end, that is 100. And then I'm packing the combo box onto the screen. And then I'm binding the event combo box selected. So whenever there is a change in the value selected by the user, it will trigger an event called combo box selected. And this event can be handled by the bind function, bind method. So when I use the bind method and the event, then it calls the function getGrade. So getGrade basically is the function which checks for the marks and it will display the message onto the screen by giving the grade which the user has obtained. So this is how the program is. Now let's execute and see how it runs. Okay, we have to have greater than and lesser than symbol over here. So we got the grading system and it has got values from 0 to 100. So let me select 100. It should give A1 grade. So when I select 100, sorry, there is some bug in the program. Get grade A1 is 91 to 100 is A1. Let me execute it once again. Let me select 8. It says you secured E2 grade. So that is correct. And now let me select 45. It says you secured C2 grade. Okay, that is also correct. Now let me select something between 33 and 40. It should give D grade. So let me select 36. You secured D grade. Even this is correct. Something between 21 and 32. 31. So it says you secured E1 grade. That is also true. And now if I select something which is more like 99, it says you secured A1 grade. So this is working fine. So this is how the grading system in CBSE works. And so this is the code for this particular grading system. So with the help of Combobox, we need not have a button widget to be placed. It automatically, whenever user selects a different value, an event called Combobox selected event gets triggered. And when we use the bind method, then it can be handled. This particular event can be handled, and it calls the function wherein you can give some functionality, and based on that functionality, we can obtain the result. So hope so friends, it was clear for you. The Combobox widget, it is basically a combination of entry widget and list box widget. It is present in TTK module, and we can select only a single value from a set of values. So hope so friends, it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button, and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.